Hello children, I am Monisha. I am working in Bharati Dasnar Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Today I am going to take 3rd standard social science. Let us see what are all the topics we are going to discuss in this lesson. First, solar system. Next, shape of the earth. Third topic is the earth surface. In that we are going to discuss atmosphere. The fourth topic is the sky. In that we are going to discuss what is meant by a horizon and what is meant by a coast. Listen children, we all live in a houses along with our families. Our houses is a part of a city or a village. Our village is a part of a country. Many countries together form a continent. Many countries together form a continent. What is meant by a continent? Continent is a large mass of land on earth. Continent is a large mass of land on earth. We all live in a planet earth. We all live in a planet earth. The sun and the 8 planets which revolve around it and forms our solar system. The sun and the 8 planets which revolve around it and forms our solar system. We see solar system consists of 8 planets. Solar system consists of 8 planets. They are Mercury, 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 Venus, 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 Earth, 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 Mars, 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 Jupiter, 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 Saturn, 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 Uranus, Uranus, Uranus. The last is Neptune, Neptune, Neptune. The solar system consists of 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Mercury is the hottest of all planets. Venus is the brightest planet. Earth is a planet which we live. It provides habitat to all living things. Mars is a red planet. Jupiter is the largest of all the planets. Saturn is a ringed planet. Uranus and Neptune are far from the sun. They are also called cold planets. Can we sing a rhyme children? Yes? Let's see. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Wow, they are big. Uranus, Neptune, round and round. Go, 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 go. Earth is like a huge ball. It is round in shape. It is round in shape. In the year of 1519, a Magellan, Magellan was a Portuguese sailor, confirmed that the earth is spherical in shape. He started a journey from Spain with the 5 ships and many sailors. After a tough journey of 3 years, he returned to the place where he started a journey. So, he confirmed that the earth is spherical in shape. It means that he sailed around the earth. It means that he sailed around the earth. Later, some astronauts went to the space. They also bring back the pictures of the earth and again confirmed that the earth is spherical in shape. The third topic we are going to discuss is earth surface. The surface of the earth is covered with 71% of water bodies. 71% of water bodies and the remaining 29% is covered with land. Earth's surface covered with 71% of water bodies and the remaining 29% is covered with land. Water bodies like sea, ocean, rivers, lakes, etc. The land portion consists of plains, forest, desert, etc. The earth's surface is covered with 71% of water bodies and the remaining 29% is covered with the land. The next topic is atmosphere. The layer of air which surrounds the earth is called the atmosphere. The layer of air which surrounds the earth is called the atmosphere. Brahmika, what is meant by atmosphere? The layer of air which surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. We need air to live. We need air to live. All the living things in the world depends on oxygen as well as the carbon dioxide. So, we need air to live. The atmosphere consists of many number of gases. The atmosphere consists of many number of gases. The next topic we are going to see is the sky. The Earth's atmosphere extends about 500 km. The Earth's atmosphere extends about 500 km. It looks like a inverted blue colored bowl. அதாவது என்னது blue colored bowl கவுத்து வச்ச மாதிரி இருக்கும். சரியா? That is what we call the sky. That is what we call the sky. In that sky, we are going to see the 2 points, that is horizon and coast. What is the horizon? The meeting point of earth and the sky is called the horizon. Meeting point of What is the horizon? The meeting point of sky and the earth is a horizon. Second, coast. Meeting point of land and sea is called coast. Meeting point of land and sea. The meeting point of land and sea is called coast. The meeting point of sky and the earth is called horizon. When we look at from a greater distance or a longer distance, the sky and the earth appears to be meet. It does not happen. They seems to be meeting. That is a horizon. Next, coast. The meeting point of land and sea is called a coast. The areas which living nearby the coast are called coastal areas. The areas which living nearby the coast are called coastal areas. Continent. What is a continent? Large mass of land on earth is called continent. Large mass of land on earth is called continent. Many countries together form a continent. Many countries together form a continent. Second topic, we are going to see solar system. The sun and the 8 planets which revolve around it and forms our solar system. The sun and the 8 planets revolve around it and forms our solar system. Look at the picture, children. The sun and the 8 planets that revolve around it forms our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and the last Neptune. So totally there are 8 planets in our solar system. Shape of the Earth. Earth looks like a huge ball. It is round in shape. In the year of 1590, Magellan was a Portuguese sailor, confirmed that the Earth is spherical in shape. Later, astronauts went to the space, bring back the pictures of the Earth. They also confirmed that the Earth is spherical in shape. Magellan, he was a Portuguese sailor. Earth surface. The Earth surface is covered with 71% of Earth is covered with water. 71% of Earth surface is covered with water, and the remaining 29% is covered with land. The remaining 21% is covered with land. The next topic is atmosphere. The layer of air which surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. The layer of air which surrounds the earth is called the atmosphere. The layer of air which surrounds earth is called the atmosphere. We need air to live. We need air to live. Horizon, the place where the sky and earth meeting point is called the horizon. The place where the sky and earth meeting point is called horizon, but it does not exist. They seems to be meeting. The place where the land and sea meeting point is called the coast. The place where the land and sea meeting point is called the coast. The place where land and sea meeting point is called coast. For further information, we have attached self-assessment, PPT, study material, question bank and model paper. Go through it and check how much you have understood the concept. Thank you, children.
From Bharatdasna Metric Higher Secondary School. We do have a nutrition department in our school. We ensure